Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Geordie. Thanks for joining me. Quick video today. We are here in Dutton Island Preserve. I'll give you a quick look around. Okay, beautiful campsite here in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I wanted to show you, let you hear the difference between the Leo Vince X3 Enduro exhaust muffler and the stock Suzuki DR650 muffler. I've made a whole bike mod video, so you can go back and watch that and see all the mods I've done to my bike. But prior to doing the mods, I filmed my bike with the stock exhaust and recorded it. So using just the GoPro, but with the same microphone, a Rode microphone. And we're gonna do a test now with the Leo Vince and record that and I'll play back the stock, and you can compare the two if you're interested in hearing the difference between the stock exhaust. I'm blowing a mosquito out of my face there. The stock exhaust and the Leo Vince Enduro X3 exhaust. I love it so far. It's definitely a deeper, throatier sound. I was attracted to a couple things with the Leo Vince. Number one, it doesn't need to be repacked, so it's sort of maintenance free, which was a big thing for me. Also, I wanted a exhaust that wouldn't be too loud. You know, I'm going to be going into small towns, small villages. I'm traveling to Latin America, and I didn't want something that would just make animals go crazy, wake everybody if I'm trying to leave early in the morning. So this isn't a crazy loud exhaust, but it has a great sound, it has great performance. Again, it's maintenance free. So those were the things that attracted me toward the Leo Vince. Okay, let's hear a little bit. All right, let's crank this baby up. Again, Leo Vince X3. Suzuki DR650, year 2022. And here we go, let's give it a little throttle. All right, hope that translates a little bit for what the Leo Vince sounds like as compared to the stock Suzuki DR650 muffler. One thing I will say is that stock exhaust is really, really heavy. So the Leo Vince, I think, is considerably lighter as well, which is always a good benefit. Another thing to know that when getting this was slip-on, when getting a new exhaust, you need to get a new gasket to be able to, replace the gasket when you reattach it to your exhaust pipe. Again, here is the Leo Vince. Kind of hard to see behind my luggage, but there it is. And when I was shopping for my exhaust, I considered others. The FMF, I really liked the Yoshimura Two Brothers RST, and a lot of people talk about repurposing the GSXR exhaust and using that on their DR650. I really kind of wanted the Yoshimura, if I'm being honest, but I think from what I read, it was considerably louder, and I'm not sure if it's maintenance free. So I read a lot of good things about the Leo Vince too, and ultimately my decision was rather easy. I wanted to go with the Leo Vince, and so far I'm super happy. I also, at the same time, again, if you watch my mod video, you'll see, but kind of a whole part of upgrading the performance of this bike and modding it out, getting it ready for a long trip, I rejetted the carb and then switched out the air filter to a K&N and opened up the air box. So all of those things together, and I also actually changed my sprocket sizes, and you can see that in the mod video, but all of those things together I think have changed the performance of the bike, and I'm really happy with it. It's very smooth, it's very full of torque, and I mean, maybe this is a silly reason, but I don't think it is. I think it's something that everyone considers, and that's probably why you're watching the video. Is I think the sound is great. I think it's really a good, throaty, pleasing, deep sound that sounds powerful. So a couple things that the Leo Vince website says. The Leo Vince X3 Enduro is made with TIG welded stainless steel internals and aluminum outer shell. It features a semi-direct chamber design that is maintenance free. And it's quiet too. Their in-house testing showed a 84 decibel sound level using the USFS J1287 testing procedure. That is a bit louder than stock, but significantly quieter than other aftermarket mufflers. It includes a certified spark arrestor, and this muffler requires a stock muffler joint gasket, which I mentioned, when used with either the stock head pipe or the FMF head pipe. So there you have it. That's the extent of my knowledge about the Leo Vince, other than I think its aesthetics and design are beautiful, and that was my choice for this bike. And again, you can watch my mod video, but to see everything else that's been done to this bike, there's a video on this Yankro fairing. And hope you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you want to hear more from me about my travels and about my motorcycle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.